What is going on, guys? We are finally checking out this band, A Lot Like Birds. I don't know anything about them other than, I guess, Kurt Travis from Dance Gavin Dance is the vocalist here. So I'm super curious to see what this is all about. The track here is Vanity's Fair. A lot of people have asked about this one over time. And yeah, no idea what to expect here. Another one of these sort of, I'll call it a Dance Gavin Dance spinoff. I don't know if that's fair to say, but I'm just curious. So let's get right into it. What the heck is going on here? What the heck was that? Oh, we already coming in with the tappy action. That's pretty groovy. Yo! That's not Kurt, is it? Is that Kurt? This isn't Kurt. What the heck is this? That's definitely Kurt. Why do we got so much of the wows going on here on the guitar? Dude, what the heck is going on in this? Bass is really profound, which is really nice. Drums sound awesome. They're doing a lot of really bizarre stuff with the guitar that it's like, in combination with the video, I feel like I'm on drugs. It's like kind of psychedelic. Dude, this is weird. It sounds good, but it's weird. This is weird. This is weird. Oh, that's pretty groovy. Da 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 da. That's a Kurt. Yeah, yeah. Who is this? Holy crap! Dude, who is that guy? He's pretty good. He's pretty good. He's belting some big screams in here, dude. Oh, he just pushes it. Sounds nice. That is Kurt. Dude. This sounds really cool. The guitars sound amazing here. Bass is standing out even more. It's really kind of ambient almost. I feel like I'm on drugs. LSD or something. I love the guitars here so much. I love the guitars have sort of transformed here and sound so much better to me. It's got that real ambient kind of like post-rock kind of vibe now where they're just resonating with these really amazing sounds that's just kind of blending together. I mean, the track is definitely developing. Like, I wouldn't say it's as weird now. Now it's sounding more like an actual track. I have no idea what the heck was going on there at the beginning. But it's getting better. The longer it goes on, it's getting better. God, that sounds amazing. Now this right here has a Dance Gavin Dance vibe. Ooh. Oh my God, yeah. Dude, I'm stopping it right here just because they totally could have carried that right there into like a solo. The way that they were doing that, they totally could have carried that into a solo. Something super chill, something really classy. I'll show you exactly what I meant. It was when they hit that really long note and I thought they were gonna bust into like a little solo, something more like blues. I don't know. Dude, this is crazy. Right there. That note could have transitioned to a solo. This unclean vocalist is really good. Dude. Dude, that was really good. Wait, that was actually really good. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I did not know what to think. As the very beginning of that, I was low-key concerned. I was like, I don't know. This is kind of weird. You know, it's kind of weird. It didn't sound bad, but it's kind of weird. But dude, as that track progressed, that was a lot like Bird's Vanity's Fair, first of all, obviously. As that track progressed, it got so much better. It got to the point where it was incredible there by the end. Just how they transformed the guitar work. That's what really stood out to me. A lot of really ambient post-rock kind of feels that were just absolutely amazing. The bass was very profound in here. Drum had a really, really nice beat, really nice cadence that really kept like a nice groove going. And their unclean vocalist, no idea who it is. It's obviously not Kurt. Amazing. Really awesome voice. And then Kurt was in here doing exactly what I remember Kurt doing from the Dance Gavin Dance days. So really, really cool stuff. And that section there towards the end where the guitars almost took on this kind of like bluesy kind of feel. Dude, at that point, they totally could have transitioned into just a small, simple, but little chill guitar solo. They didn't. You know, it's totally okay. It still sounded awesome, but the way that they set that up perfectly for that, and I totally thought they were going to. If they had did that, like, I would probably consider this to be like a near perfect track. But I'm not gonna complain. it was awesome, and it got better and better and better the longer I listened. So really interesting band, really interesting track. I'm definitely curious to listen to more. So if you guys listen to a lot like birds, please feel free to throw some other suggestions out there for me. And yeah, as always, if you're still here, if you're still watching, thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one.